All right, I'm going to make this the quick version. Try to keep it around 2 to 3 minutes. There's a longer version, goes in a lot more detail if you want to see that video. Start at the back here. We're going to way kind of towards the front. Tail light, you can see is the chrome is perfect on it. Lens is the original, no cracks. Got a new tire at the rear. The rear rim I had to replace because the original was bent, but it had forks. And front and rear brake, the shoes are originals and were in really good shape. Original muffler in it too. No rust, no dings. Original side covers, they are in perfect condition, front and back. Underneath there's brand new sealed 6-volt battery. Got recovered the seat. The tank is not original to this bike. I had to get another one. The original one was pretty bad shape. This one came in with paint on it, and it had a few chips. I repaired those, and then I shot it with House of Colors Glamour Clears 2K urethane. Withstands any spills of fuel. And the rest of the bike, I repainted everything on the rest of the bike. It also has the same House of Colors clear on it. Engine's been rebuilt. Standard bore. There's no taper in the cylinder at all. Ran the original piston in it. I just put rings in it and lapped the valves. All new seals and gaskets throughout. Has the original carburetor on it. It's not a Chinese carburetor. And brand new air filter in the box. New rubber up front. Original wheel, spokes, everything's original here. See, headlight works. That's a high beam. And high beam indicator is on there and off. And that's low beam, high beam. Tail light works as well. See here, and brake light works right there. Inside of the tank is in really good shape. There's the cap right there. I don't know what else to cover. I will catch the VIN plates right there. You can see it was made at 4 of 71. It matches the numbers on the frame. And if I can pick it up, there is the I don't know if you can see that or not, but that is the engine serial number right there. It all coincides with the rest of the bike. Kind of run along. Turn that off. Got new petcock here. And you can see everything is in really good condition. It's got the original sprockets, and they are just like brand new. I don't think this thing has a whole lot of miles on it, actually. All right, my quick version.